So as you guys can see, I'm doing extra long tips. These were actually regular length tips that I just doubled up just for the sake of this video. I am a beginner. I do want to let you guys know that ahead of time. So it's going to be 2 ombre nails made with glow pigments and Mia's Secret clear acrylic that I put together. So yeah, just stay tuned. This blue like literally gave me hell. It just would not act right. It's such a pretty ombre, like once you put them all together, but I had to go through so much trying to get this. Like I literally wanted to quit this video at least 3 times in the middle, but I was like, don't quit, just keep going. You know, the camera was making me nervous too, and then it's just kind of like, why are you nervous? You're recording yourself. But I don't know, I went through the motions. As you guys can see, I went back and forth with this green and this blue at least 100 times, and the next nail is gonna be way worse. But like I said, you just gotta tough it out because the end result is pretty good. It's pretty good. The pink wasn't too bad, even though I used like a little bit of pink pigment for pink glow in the dark pigment. It wasn't too bad, but the glow doesn't really show that much. But I was so in love with this color, so I was like, I'm gonna use it anyways. I don't care. Just a heads up, you guys, on the 2 nails that's just plain pink, I did speed it up a lot just for the sake of, you know, keeping the video going. But yeah, that was regular application. This blue, child, this blue, oh my gosh, you guys don't know what I went through. Keep in mind, this video was an hour, so this video was an hour. I chopped it down to 15 minutes. You guys cannot imagine the struggle that I went through. Like, look at this. Like, it looks like a whole ass mess, no lie. I was getting so upset. Man. not, you guys. I was looking at this nail like, I know you fucking lying. Like, this is not what it's giving right now. It's not. But don't worry. I'm gonna fix it. One thing that I did want to say though, you guys, is you can't look for others' support to basically tell you whether or not you should do something. Like, if you want to do something and you feel like, but damn, like, I keep posting this or I keep sharing this and like I'm not getting the feedback that I expect, but in your heart you know you love to do it and you know you're good at it, then don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. Like, people will literally watch you and know you're the shit and just won't say anything. So remember, like, you're your biggest supporter. Like, everyone else's support feels amazing, but is not always going to be there, and that does not mean that you should quit. Keep going, keep pushing, whether it's hair, nails, etc. I don't care. Keep going. So one thing I learned from this nail tech on Instagram and other nail techs on YouTube is that, honey, clear acrylic fixes everything, okay? If you think that it doesn't, try it. It fixes everything. It does bring your ombre to life. Sorry I keep sniffling, you guys. I have terrible allergies. But it brings your ombre to life. It brings your nails to life. It's just kind of like the finishing touch. That's just like putting clear nail polish on whatever you're doing. Like, I feel like it's required, especially since this wasn't like pigments or like acrylic that was made. Like, I made these myself, so they're probably not that great. Listen, clear acrylic is the answer. Look at that ombre. Look at how it's coming to life. Do you see it? Do you see it right there? Okay, just saying. I'm gonna keep it tall with y'all. Trying to file these nails on this hand was the most annoying thing ever, just because they kept sliding out. I didn't want to block the camera with my hand trying to hold it, so I was trying to hold it at like the best angle that I could. It was hard, but the reason why I don't want to glue the nails to this hand is because I do plan on doing nails more often, and I don't want to wait to soak them off. Also, this hand from Red Iguana was really expensive, so like I don't want to mess it up, like just snatching the nails off. didn't really go around the cuticle that much because I didn't receive my safety bit just yet, my safety drill bit. Basically, I just wanted to make sure that the nail was even. That way when I put the clear polish on it, it doesn't like show like the dents or anything like that. So that's really what I was taking the drill doing. The clear I'm using is Emily top coat, no white top coat, sorry guys. I love this, I live by this. I think it's amazing and it doesn't take long to dry like at all. So one thing I do want to apologize about, guys, is that my phone had died. I didn't notice because it was in the camera holder, but I did have to do my rhinestones off camera. But I do hope that you guys like the video. There will be more like it, and I will get better with time. Just stick with me and like, comment, and subscribe.